Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix WhatsApp call not showing. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, go to the settings of your mobile phone. After that, here you have to click on Apps Management. After clicking on App Management, you have to select your WhatsApp. Now select your WhatsApp here. After selecting WhatsApp, click on your notifications here. Here you have to keep all your notifications on. If any of these notification buttons is off, then your WhatsApp call notification will not be shown to you. Make sure you turn on all these notifications. After that, you have to go to permission. Now here you have to give all the permissions to your WhatsApp. This way you can fix WhatsApp call not showing on phone Android.